As per the statistics, around one fifth of the people of the world are facing mental illness. Health is wealth. Hello everyone. Topic for today's lecture is mental health. So what's make the human being different from other living beings? It's human mind, its way of thinking and the creativity that he has done for the welfare of the society by using his mental abilities. So it is very important for human being to remain physically as well as mentally fit. The mental fitness comprises the psychological well-being. Proper mental health leads to proper mental functioning, and which in turns helps in being productive in any kind of activities. An emotionally strong person can fight against any kind of depression, anxiety, trauma, or any kind of negative thoughts. As per the statistics, around one fifth of the people of the world are facing mental illness, which is affecting their behavior and their decision making power. And there are multiple factors which contributes for mental illness like biological, heredity, trauma, house environment, and many more. But the positive thing is that mental illness can be cured by consulting the experts and psychologists. Apart from this, it can be cured by using regular exercise like jogging, morning walk, cycling, yoga, and the most important is meditation, which can prove to be a panacea of this problem. With the increase in the technology, the workload has increased, and mental illness has become a concern for the society. And for the growth of the nation, mental health can play a very important role, as only mentally fit person can contribute for the growth of the nation. A World Mental Health Day is also celebrated on 10 of October in order to make the people aware about mental illness, and many kinds of contribution has also been done by the people and the companies to make the people aware about the mental problems. There is a proverb that a sound mind resides in a sound body. For physical fitness, a proper diet is required, and for mental health, a yoga, a meditation is required. And a mentally fit person can prove to be a asset